Subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an update from Kautilya's Fincast.
Welcome to Kautilya's Fincast for 21st to 30th of June, 2021.
Let's begin with corporate news.
Even as policymakers grapple with ways to revive demand in the pandemic-hit economy, an online sale fest launched by Axis Bank, offering 15% discounts, is witnessing a 10 times surge in daily volumes. Kolkata-based edtech venture, Nalanda Learning Systems Private Limited, has raised 40 crore from impact investor Avishkar Capital. The company now plans to expand nationally, through its integrated platform of digital content, curriculum, and pedagogy, targeting children in their early years. Online makeup and beauty learning platform, Air Black, has raised $5.2 million as a part of its series round, co-led by Info Edge Ventures and Elevation Capital. ITC Limited Sunfeast biscuit brand has rolled out a potato biscuit in India, after a similar Bangladeshi snacking brand, Prawn Patata Spicy Biscuit, became widely popular on social media platforms in the country. L&T Technology Services and Mavenir have partnered on Open RAN and 5G test automation solutions. LTTS will contribute to the acceleration of Mavenir's cloud-native product roadmap, driving increased market share in the 5G telecom landscape. JP Morgan Chase & Company has acquired a 40% stake in Brazilian digital bank, C6 Bank, marking the debut in retail of the US bank in Latin America's biggest economy. Rapido will provide electric, 2-watt bikes on rental to those who do not have vehicles of their own. It has partnered with Hoopy to provide door-to-door servicing and repair options for its driver partners.
Let's begin with market news.
Embassy Right will reduce the trading lot size of its units to 1 from 200, in line with SEBI's decision to reduce the minimum subscription amount and trading lot size for REITs and InvITs. SEBI decided to permit eligible, resident Indian fund managers, other than individuals, to be constituent of foreign portfolio investors. SEBI decided to introduce cross-margin benefit between commodity index futures and its underlying constituents futures, a move that will reduce the cost of trading and boost liquidity in such products. After remaining net sellers for 2 months in a row, foreign portfolio investors in June turned net buyers by pumping in a net 12,714 crore into Indian markets. Domestic issuances of covered bond witnessed a sharp increase to about 2,220 crore in the financial year, against 400 crore seen in the preceding fiscal, as high net worth individuals and family wealth offices looked for better returns amid low interest rate regime. Paytm has extended the deadline for shareholders, employees and former employees to submit their documents by June 30th if they wish to sell their shares in the planned IPO of up to 12,000 rupees crore. Blockchain Capital, a cryptocurrency and blockchain-focused venture capital firm, raised $300 million in funding for its Fund V from investors including PayPal Holdings Incorporated and Visa Incorporated. HDFC Bank offloaded leading depository CDSL's shares, worth a little over 185 crore, through an open market transaction. US-based enterprise software company, MicroStrategy Incorporations, has purchased additional 13,005 bitcoins for around $489 million in cash, at an average price of $37,617 per bitcoin, inclusive of fees and expenses.
Let's begin with economy news.
Although the GDP deflator is more closely linked with WPI, policy instrument for the Reserve Bank of India is CPI. Therefore, while higher WPI-based inflation would drive nominal GDP, the Indian economy functioned stronger than predicted in 2020, in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, the nominal GDP grew to 197.5 lakh crore. The mismatch between the performance of the real sector and financial markets. RBI has revised its real GDP projection from 10.5% to 9.5% in 2021-22 amid second COVID-19 wave. Government officials held internal discussions regarding temporary income support of around 5,000 rupees to 6,000 per month for urban and rural, who had lost their livelihoods in nationwide lockdown since last financial year. targeted fiscal stimulus, and incentivizing exports, will help put economy back on a sustained growth path. The government should put in place a strategy to boost exports to $1 trillion. One of the blue economy is achieving self-reliance in many essential mineral commodities like copper, zinc, lead, limestone, mica. India also imports minerals of other varieties from outside the countries. The GST would generate as much revenue as the previous tax regimes. However, the new regimes was meant that consumption, not manufacturing, would be the point of tax.